vibes. So today's video is very spontaneous in the sense of I was not expecting to be making it. My next idea was actually the keto fall foods idea, but somebody on Instagram brought it to my attention that I should do a
Halloween 2018 makeup tutorial.
not just one, but like a couple. So I'm gonna go ahead and shout her out real quick. Her name is Christina Thompson.
Hey guys, make sure to follow this lovely lady. Also, Christina, thank you so much for giving me the idea. You rock. Okay, thanks.
And if anyone else has any ideas for this YouTube, for videos I post, anything like that, let me know. I'll shout you out. Just because I like creating content. I like putting videos out. It's fun for me.
I like it.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video.
Nikki, Phillippi.
To my lips. In this picture, the girl's doing a black lip for a cat. I'm gonna be a sexy cat, so I'm gonna do a red lip because red means dangerous, ladies. You know what I'm talking about.
Klappat hakten alla Mullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Mullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är mullfest hela dagen. Alla armar. Mullfest hela dagen. så det Magra och tjocka, ska vara det bra, ja. Klumpat alla var Fullfest hela mjöl från livets grottekvarn Fullfest hela dagen Små på skor, det har vi alltid gjort Så det är goda för att gå glad, ja. Har vi alltid gjort så det är fullfest hela dagen
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like more videos like this, like I said, if you give me a request for a video and it's a really good idea, I'll make sure to shout you out, throw your Instagram handle up there, like whatever. But make sure you keep giving me feedback on these. I really love doing these kinds of videos. It's really fun for me. Of course, I'm human. I make mistakes. I feel like the first one I did wasn't really the best, like with the spider, but like you live and you learn. I'm not like a makeup expert. This is just my hobby. It's something I enjoy doing. And yeah, so just make sure you guys also find the things in your life that fill your life with purpose and joy. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.